Welcome to another episode of Playing with Regina. Today, Medical Assistant Odyssey. This game has been helping folks become medical assistants for like 30 years, but I've never played until today. So the idea is I complete the Odyssey and I get to start a new career. How cool is that? First, up Study Mountain. Earn scrubs. Now gotta get over this canyon. How? Gonna use this stethoscope rope. That's how. Okay, can I walk through this? Oh, no! Retreat! I need a boat. What? Inflatable certificate? Takes me to shore where my new job awaits. That's a win for Regina, people. Medical Assistant Odyssey? Pretty fun, super rewarding.